Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question of coordinate geometry, June 2013, 12 variant, and question number 7. Okay, what a question is, the R is a reflection of this point in this line. I repeat, let's say the line is this, and a point is -1 is 3 is here. He said that this is a point below the line. R is reflection of this. Reflection means naturally reflection will be not like this, not like this, okay? Always make a perpendicular line. So it means somewhere here. And this is a 90 degree, this is a midpoint, and this point is R which I'm looking for. I think idea is clear. So this I can say that. Let me read again. It said R is reflection of this point. So check it. Is this point reflection of this or not? Exactly correct. Reflection point, if you are how much you're close to mirror, so your image is also close to mirror, same distance. So I think clear idea. If you go slightly away, your image goes slightly away. There's a very clear idea. It means how much you have a distance from mirror. So same is there. Okay. So I hope so. The point is very clear. So this distance and this distance are equals to each other. So let's start. A question is our first question: how to make it? So how to start it? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this is a very important point. So I will try to make this question easier, and that for this I will sketch it. How to sketch it? Put 1 time x0 and 1 time y0. When I plug in y0 here, it is gone. So 0 is equal to 0 plus 2x is equal to 33. And 2 divides, and I got 2 was a 2 to 16.5. And when I plug in when I plug in x0, it goes away and 3 will divide. It means 3y plus 0 is equals to 33. So I get y equals to 11. So if I make this diagram once again, and I believe inshallah clear. So when x is 0, y is this. Where is that? Somewhere here. So I make mark here, okay? And I make this line like this, and I believe you got a point clear. And this point for sure is x0, y11. This is 11. And this is 16.5. So this is no need to show to examiner, just for knowledge. But it is a very clear idea. Now I can say, where is this -1, 3 locates? This one. So -1 means I move left side 1 box, and 1, 2, 3 up. So this means this point is somewhere here, -1 and 3. So if I hold on, let's try to drag this line slightly left side. I think okay. All right. So just reason, what is reason behind, you'll come to know. Okay. So this point is very clear, 11. Okay. Now where is a mirror line? So hold on. I make a black line, which is clear to you, inshallah. This is a black line, and this is a point R, which is unknown, AB, and this is 90 degree for sure. And this point is M. M stand for midpoint, because how much this away, same distance here. Okay. So point is very clear. And now I can go for further part. So how can first find M coordinate? So this line and this line, solve them simultaneously. And luckily this line is we have here. This line we don't have. Okay. So let's see how we can find this line. So what is the plan then? It means, first of all, I can find M. So first of all, this line, because with this line, solve them simultaneously. But question comes, do you have this equation of line? No. So we'll find it. How will we find it? For every line, we need two things, gradient and point. Point we have, gradient we don't know. So gradient of blue line, I will find from here. So let's start. 3y plus 2x is equals to 33. Make y subject. When you make y subject, then what happens? Inshallah, we'll see 3y equal to -2x plus 33. Divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. I got y is equals to negative 2 by 3 plus 11. Or if you don't like this method, you can use this coordinate and this coordinate to find gradient even, no problem at all. So this is my, so what are the gradient, students, coming from here? So gradient of the blue line is coming here, negative 2 by 3. So as perpendicular lines, so what is a black line gradient? So I can say here, so black line gradient is a positive 3 by 2. Now I have a black line gradient is given, and black line, this point also lies on it. You know, every time when, so I will use, so equation of what I call MR, I call as MR, equation of MR. And you know, students, what I will use, I use this coordinate negative 1, 3, and I will use this gradient 3 by 2. Now you understand very well why I'm using so, because it's very clear for this line, 1 point locates, which is given, and this is a blue line gradient, and this is black line gradient. I believe the point is clear. So y minus y1 equals to m times 2x minus x1. This 2 will multiply left hand side, so 2 into y, 2 3s are 6. These 3 multiply inside, I get 3x plus 3. So finally, I got 3x is 3y is equal to 2y equal to 3x plus 9. So this equation and this equation and this equation, I'm going to solve them simultaneously. Okay, so what is the method, how we can do it? So I'm copying both equation, and this equation I'm copying. So copy from here and pasting here. So when I paste here, this equation, I paste here, okay? So, and this equation I can rearrange because you can see y and x together. Why not bring 3x on the left-hand side? So what happens then, this 3 becomes sign changes, and here I got an equal sign. This equation now, so this equation and this equation, I'm going to solve them simultaneously. How I can solve, students, you can see clearly. So if you want to cancel x, suppose, so I need these numbers must match. So upper equation, this equation must multiply over the 3, and this equation must multiply with the 2. And I believe the point is clear, and let's try to implement. Let's try to implement. So this is why I can say here, and I label this is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. So this planning is very clear, and I can say that equation 1 multiply by 3, equation 2 multiply with 2, and add them, and let's see. So when I multiply 3 multiply all numbers, 3 into 3 I get a 9y, 3 into 2 I got a 6x, and 99 comes here. 2 multiply all values, 2 2s are 4y, 2 3s are 6x, 2 9s are 18. So I think idea is clear, and they will cancel out automatically. And here I get a 13y, and 9 plus 8, 17. And what I get here, 117. I get 117, but 13 will divide. When 13 will divide, I get short 9. And this 9 value, I can plug in any one equation you like. Okay, I plug in this one. So in 1, I'm writing here. So put in 1. And when I put in 1, let's see what answer I get it. This is one equation. So 9 is coming here. So 3 times 2, 9 plus 2x is equal to 33. And 2x is equal to 33 minus 27. And because this 927 goes there, and 33 minus 27 is giving 6. Ultimately, x value becoming 3. So midpoint, which is m is very clear, x is 3, y 9. And you know, students, this is, I got it, this point I have it. Now I can find this r. So this equation, I'm going to draw a link again, okay? Let me try, and this equation I'm going to draw again. So copy, and I'm pasting here. Same equation I'm pasting here, same. So have a look here, this is given. And according to plan, this is a midpoint, M is a midpoint, and this is negative 1, 3 I have already. And midpoint, I just got it 3, 9. This distance is equal. And I think you're understanding, students. So apply this midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Same way, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. For your knowledge, this is called one corner point. This is called second corner point. This is called midpoint. So I think clear. So 3 is equals to minus 1 plus a divided by 2. 2 goes there. I got a 6 minus 1 plus a, and a becomes 7. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Same way, 3 will have one corner point, b second corner point, 9 will go in the place of y. So 9 is equals to b plus 3 by 2. 2 nines are 18 and 3 subtracts and I get a 15. So r, which we're saying 7 comma 15 is our answer. And I believe you got a point very, very clear.